See if she want to play nice today. Oh. Finally back in bed. So, got it back from the motor shop. Got all the suspension put on. Got the disc brakes put on. Just test riding it. Put some miles on it. About to head over to my guy, Markland Designs. Let him look at the radio and the system so we can plan out something for the audio setup that we're going to do. But just wanted to give y'all an update. We riding, driving. Run good, man. Shout out to Auto American for the coilovers. They ride great. All the suspension stuff definitely paid off. Being able to ride this car on the highway with no problem. Still an old school feel, but it definitely helps you out tremendously when it comes to comfort. Put some clips together that I got over the time that we were doing the upgrades. Let y'all see how it goes and what we got up underneath it. And I'll check back in with you once we go to paint and we get the car broke down and hopefully we get it ready for spring. So appreciate y'all checking in with me. I'll update y'all a little bit after this.
I'll come, Marie.
Built by Brent, LSX. Had to come let my boy clean it up for me. Next is gonna be sticking with the color. Since I done had it, I done changed the color choice about 10 times. So we gonna go forward from here and see what it do. Got me feeling brand new. Ever need a watch though, come see my boys, man. Car Wash King on Instagram. Fast and Friendly ATL. Always A1. All in all, first day out. Or official day. Glad we got it together. Sounding pretty good. They still ride real comfortable. The Auto American coilovers feel good. They're not real stiff like the other ones I've experienced. So huge shout out to them. Excited to see where we go with this one. Hopefully I have an update with y'all soon. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Drop some comments, let me know what y'all think. Any suggestions, and you know, we'll rock it like that. All right, catch y'all on the next one.